Lithuania's Hill of Crosses, near Šiauliai, is unique in the world, for many reasons. Firstly, its sheer size. Hundreds of thousands of crosses small and large crown this hill. It undoubtedly is the world's best repository of Lithuanian cross-crafting, which is a UNESCO World Heritage inscribed art form. As common in Lithuania, many crosses here go beyond the traditional form, also incorporating pre-Christian suns and other symbols in their design. 50 of the crosses here are regarded to be of major cultural significance. Secondly, the Hill of Crosses has a truly surreal atmosphere. Thousands of large wooden crosses are used as platforms for many times that number of small ones, all of which beautifully chime in the wind. Most of them bear inscriptions with names of the people and their reasons for erecting the cross. There are crosses built by biker clubs, political parties, ordinary families, pilgrims from faraway lands, priests, and every other category of people you may imagine. They thank God or ask for His guidance, remember life-changing events, seek help for some particular groups of the population. The inscriptions are largely Lithuanian, but you may find those in countless other languages representing different Christian denominations. The crosses are eagerly erected up to this day. Most importantly, though, the Hill of Crosses is a symbol of the Lithuanian resistance to the Soviet occupation which took place since the 1940s until the year 1990. When they ruled Lithuania, Soviets banned most religious traditions, yet the Lithuanian people still used to secretly erect the crosses on this hill. The atheist Soviet government used to tear all the crosses down and persecute the pilgrims, but very soon the crosses would spring up again, restoring the number to hundreds and thousands. The tradition of erecting crosses here might have started under an even earlier occupation of Lithuania. That is, during the Imperial Russian rule in the mid-19th century. A legend tells that one person from a nearby village promised God that he would build a cross on this hill in case his disease would pass. The disease passed and the man kept his promise, later to be followed by others. There are other stories, such as the one about a person whose daughter was ill and who received a vision that he should build a cross there. Whatever the reasons for its inception, the place became an important pilgrimage site, and erecting a cross here became a popular way to thank God. To this day, the Hill of Crosses is one of the must-visit places of Lithuania, loved by Christians, non-Christians, and even non-religious people alike.